Okay, so this is a video runoff of a custom built VTL guard, double slider, dual door. Just to cover a few install aspects. There's 4 lags with 8 leveling bolts per leg. We also have lifting hooks on the top when it gets on site. Probably for crane assist to get it off the pallet. Again, 4 lags, 8 leveling bolts with locking nuts. Unit should come in 8 pieces. It'll be 2 poles. There's 2 arches that are split in half. They will be labeled back right, front right, and then back left, front left. So that's 4 pieces, and then each door, so a total of 8. Some of the features: there's dual column, there's counterweights for each side on both sides, so they're individual carriages, which makes the weight of the door or the sliders neutral. There's a large door on the left side. These are 300-pound hinges. There's 3 of them. There is a lever for unlocking. There's an interlock for the side door there. There is also a interlock for the main carriages on the top, and then a interlock for this door as well. There will be rubber bumpers and latches on the top and bottom of both doors, so that each door stays in place. When needed, it'll be delatched and opened. When the carriage is in the up position, there is a locking collar with a release. The locking collar and pin is actually right here. There's a handle on this side when it's up. Also, this guard is fully down, so this will be the top of the platform, and there'll be a strap to grab and start the lift of the guard. So to actuate that, you'll pull that up. Obviously we're below the deck, but this will be done single hand use. So the guard will be locked in the up position. And there. So these guards cannot move. This one can't move, and that one's locked shut. So in the up position, that will be the size of the guard platform about here with the man doors. So if that is up, the option to release the door, two-handed, sorry. So this will swing all the way open, give full access here to the side of the machine. The door can actually swing all the way open out of the way if required. When done, it will swing back. This door has adjustability built into it, so we can rise and lower this whole thing based on the platform. Same thing for the operator's side door. So this will obviously can be adjusted. Door can swing open, full access to the machine. When it's ready, you just close it. It will be interlocked as well. When you're ready here, you will grab this latch. It will release the guard. And grab the handle from here. You can either pull it down from the side handle or from the middle, and it'll drop below the deck. The tolerance of the arcs, as you can see from top to bottom, they're precision arcs, so the gap is the same. The Lexan in the front, it'll come protected, but you can just rip these off. It's designed so it's replaceable with a lip in the back. Take a couple screws out, you can slide the panels out and replace if they were to get damaged or scratched or you can't see through them anymore. That about covers the design of this large dual sliding dual door custom VTL guard. There will also be one note. We have labels, safety labels already pre-done in certain aspects of the machine, so that will come with it as well. But if there's any questions, you can contact us here.